Hey guys, welcome back to the video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from your Skylight app to Cash App, okay? So it's very easy and simple, and basically it involves linking your Skylight card to Cash App and then using it to fund your Cash App balance. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this step by step. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you want to ensure that you have both accounts set up. So first, ensure your Skylight account and Cash App are both active. You want to download Cash App from your app store if you haven't done this already, and log into your account. And then we're basically going to be linking our Skylight card to Cash App. So open Cash App and navigate to the home screen. And what you're going to see, guys, is you want to tap on the banking tab or the bank icon at the bottom left. Okay, the bottom left, and then you want to select Add Cash, basically add bank or credit card or debit card. So you want to do that. Click on add bank or add credit card or a debit card, and then basically you need to enter your Skylight card details. Things like your card number, your expiration date, CVV, and a zip code. And then, guys, what's going to happen is you need to basically transfer funds from your Skylight to Cash App. So once your Skylight card is successfully linked, guys, you can use it to fund your Cash App balance. So on the Cash App home screen, you want to tap Now Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer, and select your Skylight card as the payment method. And then, guys, just confirm the transfer, and the money will move to your Cash App balance instantly or within a few minutes, guys. So once the money is in Cash App, you can use it to send payments, make purchases, or just transfer to your linked bank account. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. And I hope this video helps you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel so you can get notified when the next video drops. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one.